we'll study properties of factors. The smallest factor of every number is 1. For example, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3, 7 into 1 is 7. What does this first point say now? Whichever number's factor we have to write, the first factor of every number is 1. Okay, now the first factor of every number is 1. Suppose the question is write all the factors of 12. So what is the first factor of 12? First factor always be 1 and then we will write other factors. Suppose it is asked write the factors of 18. So what is the first factor of 18? 1 and then rest all 2, 3, 4 whatever it is. Got it, na? So the smallest factor of every number is 1. This means that the first factor of every number is 1. And why all the numbers have 1 as the factor? The reason is that in the table of 1, all the numbers are divisible. If you want to write the factors of 25, 1 25s are 25. If we have to write the factors of 36, so 1 36s are 36. If we have to write the factors of 48, then 1 48s are 48. I hope it is clear. So in the table of 1, all the numbers are divisible. In the table of 1, all the numbers are divisible. That is why 1 is considered as the first factor or the smallest factor of every number. Then second property is every number is factor of itself. For example, factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. What does this second point says now? It means that every number is factor of itself. It means that whenever we have to write the factor of any number, that number will come in its own table for sure. Suppose we have to write the factors of 12, so 12 will come in the table of 12, na? 12 ones are 12. We have to write the factors of 18. 18 will be its own factor also. Means 1 will be there, then many in middle also, and then 18 for sure. Why? Because in the table of 18, 18 will come for sure. Got it, na? So all the numbers are factor of itself, keep in mind. Suppose write the factors of 36. So in the while writing the factors of 36, we will count 36 also as one of its factor. Suppose write the factors of 72. So while writing the factors of 72, we will write 72 also as one of its factor. Like first factor will be 1, then 2, 3, 72, like that. Okay. So keep in mind that all the numbers definitely will be the factor of itself. Point number 3, factors of a number are always smaller than or equal to the number. For example, the factor of 12 cannot be greater than 12. Very important and interesting point to be kept in mind while writing the factors. You see, whosever number's factor is asked, no factor will be more than that. Like to write the factors of 12, 13 cannot be its factor. To write the factor of 12, 17 cannot be its factor. Why these two numbers cannot be factor of 12? Because they are greater than 12. Right, na? So the number will be the factor. All those which are smaller than that number. All those number which are smaller than that. Keep in mind, no number will be greater as its factor. Clear, na? Suppose we have to write the factor of 24. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. Can we write 25 as the factor of 24? No. Why? Because 25 is more than that. Can we write 68 as the factor of 24? No. Because 68 is also more than that. So the third point states that the factor will always be smaller or equal to then the number whose factor we have to write. Whichever number's factor we have to write, that factor will always be smaller than or equal to. Number cannot be more. The factor can never be greater than that. Keep in mind this thing. Then point number 4. A number can have only limited number of factors. Now what is the meaning of limited number? Limited number means countable it can be. Means it is not unlimited. We can count the number of factors. Like what are the factors of 6? We know 1, 2, 3, 6. Means the number 6 have only 4 factors. Clear na? Like what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The factors of 12, we have 6 factors. Right? We can count them in numbers. It is not uncountable. Clear? We can count them in numbers. 1 is the only number with 1 factor. What does this mean? When we have to write the factor of 1, then it has 1 factor only, 1 itself. When someone asks what are the factors of 1, what we will answer? 1 is the factor of 1. Clear na? Means 1 is that number which has only 1 factor. Other than 1, all numbers have, some number have 2 factors, some number have 3 factors, some number have 4 factor, like that. Means other number have different number of factors, but 1 is that only number which has only 1 factor. So these are the properties which we have to keep in mind while studying about factors. Once we'll take a glance. Smallest factor is 1. Keep in mind all the number have 1 as its factor. Whenever we have to write the factors, the first factor will always be 1. Then every number is a factor of itself. Whosever factor we have to write, the number itself will be one of its factor. Third point is, the factor is always smaller or equal to. Whichever number's factor we have to write, the factor will always be smaller than that or equal to. It will never be more than that. The numbers of factor are countable, that is limited. We can count the numbers. Then 1 is the factor, only 1. 1 is the only number with 1 factor. This means that 1 is that number which has only 1 factor. 1 do not have more than 1 factor. Rest all the things I'll explain you in the next clip.